Have you ever wondered why a price tag marked down from $50 to $30 makes a shirt seem like a steal? Why does this original price, even if it's arbitrary, hold such sway over our perception of value? Welcome to the world of anchoring, a cognitive bias that impacts not only our shopping decisions, but also our financial ones. Picture this. You're at a bustling market, scanning the stalls for the perfect piece of fruit. You see a vendor selling apples for $2 each. You think it's a bit pricey, but you buy one anyway. As you wander further, another vendor is selling the exact same apples for $1 each. Suddenly, you feel like you've been ripped off by the first vendor. Your perception of the apple's value was anchored to that initial $2 price. This phenomenon isn't confined to apples or shirts. It extends into the world of finance and trading. Imagine a stock you've been following. It's been trading at around $50 for a while. One day, it drops to $40. Despite all your knowledge of the stock's fundamentals, that initial $50 price sticks in your mind. You feel the stock is now undervalued, a bargain waiting to be snatched up. This, dear listeners, is anchoring at play in the stock market. Anchoring, in its essence, is a cognitive bias where an individual depends too heavily on an initial piece of information to make subsequent judgments. In the world of finance, traders anchor their perception of a stock's value to a specific price point. If the stock drops below this point, they perceive it as a bargain and are tempted to buy more, even if the stock's fundamentals suggest it's overvalued. Now you might be wondering, can we overcome this bias? The answer is yes, but it requires conscious effort. Always base your decisions on solid, objective data. Don't let an arbitrary number cloud your judgment. Research thoroughly, stay informed, and don't get anchored to a single piece of information. In conclusion, anchoring is a powerful cognitive bias that affects our perceptions of value, from apples to stocks. It's not just about the numbers, it's about how we perceive them. By understanding the concept of anchoring, we can make better, more informed financial decisions. Remember, the value of a stock, or an apple, isn't determined by its initial price, but by its intrinsic worth. So next time you're faced with a tough financial decision, don't get anchored. Stay fluid, stay informed, and make decisions based on solid data. This has been a discussion on the concept of anchoring, brought to you by Kawamis Financial Services. If you found this information useful, give a thumbs up to this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more enlightening discussions.